Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. It is great to see you all again. Today, we are going to draw a very meaningful object. You might have seen it around the time of Halloween. It is decorated during a special celebration called the Day of the Dead. This object makes up the bony structure in your head. Have you guessed it yet? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a skull. So, grab your pencil and a sheet of paper, and let's get started. The Day of the Dead is an old tradition that started a long time ago with the Aztec people in Mexico. It is a happy celebration that takes place on November 1st and 2nd. It honors and celebrates the lives of those who are no longer with us. Let's begin with a square shape. This is our background. Now, draw the shape of our skull. Inside the background, start by drawing a half circle that looks like an upside-down U. That will be the top of our skull. From both the right and left edges of your half circle, draw two very small half circles. Now, from the bottom part of the left smaller half circle, draw a short straight line from left to right. And from the bottom part of the right smaller half circle, draw a short straight line from right to left. Great job, everyone! You just drew the cheekbones. Now, draw one long curve between the endpoints of both short lines. You just drew the chin. On to the eyes. Above the cheekbones, draw two big circles. Then, draw one smaller circle inside each of those. Your skull is really taking shape. Between the eyes, draw a small triangle. That will be our skull's nose. Now, let's give our skull a big smile. Right under the nose, draw a U shape. Our skull looks really happy now, doesn't it? During the celebration of the Day of the Dead, skeletons aren't scary. Skeletons are placed everywhere and decorated with different colors and shapes. They even pose doing things people do, like singing, cooking, or even playing instruments. Some skulls can even be made of sugar. Let's bring our skull to life by adding petals around the eyes. First, draw small semicircles from right to left around each eye. Great job, everybody! Now, above each eye, draw three small circles, just like that. Next, draw the shape of a small thin oval inside each cheekbone. What a cheeky skull! And finally, to bring even more happiness to our decorations, let's draw more flowers. At the top of our skull, draw a small half circle. And around that circle, draw four small semicircles from right to left. Do the same on the chin. The flowers look great. Now, it's time to add some color to make our skull ready for our celebration. You can follow our suggestions or choose your own colors. It's up to you. For our skull, we will be using black, hot pink, yellow, green, and purple. First, use the black crayon to color the background. Don't forget to color around the skull. Use that same crayon to color inside the eyes. Again, make sure to color around the smaller circles. We will leave these smaller circles white, like the color of your paper. With the same black crayon, color the nose and shade the mouth. Time to take your hot pink crayon to color the petals of all your flowers. You can start by coloring the petals around the eyes. Then, color the petals of your flower on the head and chin of our skull. Well done, everyone! Now, take your yellow crayon and color the center of your flowers on both the top and bottom of our skull. Color the small ovals inside both cheekbones. And last, but not least, use your purple crayon to color inside the 6 small circles right above the eyes. Good job, everyone! Your skull is fully decorated, and we are ready to start the celebration. Parents, your child has done an amazing job! We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.